So it's been a few months since we even started this up. It's just been sitting around collecting dust for the most part. Not doing a whole lot. Oh, will it focus? There we go. Just my little drag mini bike. Come on. 236R, DED billet head, F&B exhaust, 28mm Mikuni, flat slide on alcohol, PVL flywheel setup with Briggs ignition. Got my DWT G Series 8x8x8 rear and my DWT 10x2 front. It's got GPS forks. Has a Micron 4 TAC and data logger and temp. Metal fabrications, clutch guard. But that's what it's been doing. We've been messing with these. Something a little cheaper, a little more fun.